Oh my gosh, have you ever said, did I take that medication? I have. It happens to me all the time. Hi, I'm Jean Ann, and I have found a great new product. It's called the Pill Popper. It starts with this elastic ring. It fits around the medication bottle just like this. It also fits around a large medication bottle just like this, up to about 3 inches. It can fit around things like throat sprays, vitamins, cream. Think of all the possibilities. Here's a customer review from Cats Are Great. I usually use the pill organizer, but my medication was liquid, so I used this. It's super convenient and easy. Thank you, Cats Are Great. Another customer told us a great way to put the Pill Popper on containers larger than 3 inches. She loops a rubber band through this elastic ring for larger containers. Let's try it. Take the rubber band and put it through the ring. Grab the small part, take the larger part over, and pull it tight. And look what it goes around. Now I bet you're wondering, how does the Pill Popper help you track your medications? These buttons have the days of the week on them. So let's say it's Friday. You take your medication, then you pop this Friday button. This way, when you come back later and check the Pill Popper, you'll see you've already taken your dose. So what if you have to take it more than once a day? See these 2 buttons above the days of the week? You use these when you need to take additional doses on the same day. One is for the 2nd dose, the other for the 3rd dose. Just pop the button when you need them. All your buttons are popped. To reset, pop the buttons back up. Now you're ready for a new week. If you're tracking more than one medication, you can get the 3-pack to help you color coordinate your medicines. Since using the Pill Popper, I can tell if I've taken my medication. How can you get your own Pill Popper? Well, go to Amazon.com, Walmart.com, or to pillpopper.com.